Hello everyone, this is Veronica Buzzing with Bee. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a Beebeecraft video, and they reached out to me and I accepted. And this is the stuff that I picked out. And so let's get into it. Here we go. Nothing else in there. Make sure this doesn't have my information in it, and it doesn't. Okay, so let's get into this. I'm just gonna put everything to the side and let's go ahead and open this up. And I tried to pick out stuff that I was going to utilize. I wanted something that I could use long term instead of short term. And so I picked these up right here. These are like stylus pins. And reason being is I picked these up is to make flowers. Let me open this. So it comes with 3 packages, and I'm gonna set this to the side so you can see. So we have like the larger ones, and these are really heavy, you guys. And so I'm very excited to see what I can create with this. And originally I wanted it for these so I could use for flowers. And then I saw these here and I figured, you know what, I could use these for my scoreboard and also for other things. I could use it also for scoring any type of design on paper if need be. So I picked that up as well. Well, actually it came all together. And so mainly I picked it up for these. So I'm definitely excited to use these. So I'm going to put this right on the side here. Next, I picked up these tassels and I can't wait to use these. Let me open it. And so look at these tassels. These are very small tassels. However, they have all the colors and they're very pretty and very soft, and I love the gold on it. And so very excited to use this for something, and all the colors are there. There's 100. So stay tuned for this. Very exciting. Next, I picked up some dies, and so here they are right here. We have the square, we have the circle, and they do have the stitching, embossing part of the stencil. Oh, I don't have to open this, but this is the heart. You can see it's larger than the square or the circle. But I'm very excited to use these, you guys. I can't wait to show you. So, and the last thing I picked up were these sprays. And there's tons of sprays. And for a very good price, I could not believe it. And so look at all these colors. We even have Halloween colors. There's fall colors. We got the Christmas colors, spring colors. Just look at this, you guys. And let me go ahead, and since it is Halloween, we will take out the Halloween colors and just take a look at them. So here's the green. See if I could take that out, and then let me take out one of the black. So many colors, and I can't wait to play with these, you guys. There's so much you can use this with, and not just flowers, you know. You could use it for embellishing anything, but look at that. So they are about, let's see here, 2 1/4 inches long. And yeah, look at these Halloween colors, you guys. So pretty. So, and then Christmas, of course. Christmas is the red. You can also do pink with the Santa baby and the white. And silver and blue also for Christmas. So very excited to use these, you guys. So stay tuned for some projects, and hopefully you like what I create. Thank you for watching my little haul here of Beebeecraft, and I will link everything in the description below so you guys could check them out. and I will see you in the next video. Bye.